Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a report on Microsoft Office Access. So first open your Access database and follow these steps. So first we need to go to the create tab or create menu. So it will be the third tab that we will find in this ribbon. So after we click on it, you will find all these sections here and we want to create a report. So basically, as you can see, there is a section that is concerning reports. Either you can click on the report wizard, so it can you can customize your report, or you can just create a report easily with this button report that it will create a basic report for you. So basically, this is the first preview of the report. You can see it in many views to customize it, or you can just go to the design view, and here you can uh, edit your sections, like and add, customize everything concerns it. As you can see, also you can add some calculated fields here, like it will take the dates here and the times from it will calculate the time it takes here. Also, you can import data from your tables that you have here. So basically, because I did this while I was in the table customer, it created a report basically from the fields that are contained on customer table and added it here simply. Also, it will add some calculated field like counting, for example, the number of the ID here because it did all that automatically. Now we go to the reports design here, and you will find all these objects that you can add to your reports. For example, you can add some records or some fields, or you can add like some text box, you can check box, you can add whatever you want here into your report. So basically, this is how you create a report in Microsoft Office Access. Thank you for watching and goodbye.